Hello and welcome to my predictions for this weekend's race in America. So we have some interesting things to say about this weekend. I didn't watch the sprint race, so I don't know how it was. I missed it. What can I say? I know Marquez is not driving. I mean Mark Marquez, Miguel Oliveira, and Enea Bastianini. Yeah, replacing Marquez is Stefan Bradl. Replacing who it was Miguel Oliveira is Folger, I think. And for Bastianini is Piro. So we have the sprint race was won by Pecco Bagnaia. Nothing new. The sky is still blue, you know. Second was Alex Rins. We know Rins is incredible driver, but I didn't expect him here. A very good job for him. We have Martin on third place, Alish Espargaro on fourth with the Aprilia, Brad Binder fifth, Bezecchi sixth, Marini seventh. Oh, Miguel is driving. I didn't see that. Then who is? Wait. Where is? Is it Miller? Ah no, Miller is driving. Or did Folger activate his wildcard? I don't know what's happening in the KTM. I see 3 KTMs. I don't understand. I didn't see what was happening, so I'm sorry if I said something wrong. We have Miller, 9th place, Vinales on 10th place. What happened to Fabio? Where's Fabio? Quartararo. 19. Oh my god, what the fuck? Lol. Frank Morbidelli 14. Joan Mir 12. Oh shit, man. I don't know what I missed here. What can I say? I expect about the race. I expect Pecco to win. I don't see any competition to be close to him, so probably he'll win this race. So I don't know. Let me check something else to see what I missed. Let me check some sites. MotoGP. Yeah. But Quartararo is starting. Ah yeah, the sprint format is not changing the positions where you start, so Quartararo is 7th. Rins 2nd, Marini 3rd, Alex Marquez 4th, Bezecchi 5th, Alish Espargaro 6th, Quartararo 7th, Vinales 8th, Zarco 9th, and Jack Miller 10th. So, interesting. I think if Rins is close to Pecco this race, he can win. So I'll be happy to see that. Hopefully I will watch the race. I'll not miss it. So yeah. See you next time.